How much rent do you pay?
So right now, it's...
What? Alright, I see out of... Hey man. Wait.
Hey dude. This is mostly like a residential area, so you can see all these apartments. These are proper residential areas. The school is right 2 stops after this. Plus, I mean, for me, I don't think Paris is way too far. It's like 40 minutes ride to La Défense,
exactly.
so you just enter Paris. I mean, because of the distance, the rent is way cheaper. Yeah, it's quite a big residence. I think with almost 430 rooms, and this is like the most happening residence, so almost everybody wants to come here. In the new batch, they're most excited about coming to this place. It's like a gated community, so you have like a tennis court, plus you have like a volleyball court. People play cricket here.
Wait, this is a cricket place?
Yeah, so people play like cricket here.
Wait, what do you say? Wait, this is where you
Yeah, this is where you keep the wicket. Dustbin is the area where the umpire stands. So I think the boundary is all those trees at the very end. And if you hit the net of the tennis court directly, it's going to be a 6. And there's no run for the backside, typically like gully cricket.
But this is basically the pitch.
Yeah, this is basically the pitch. And you're going to bowl from there, I'm going to hit a shot from here. My room is right there. So I kind of have a third umpire view. When you don't know it's out, it's not out. I'm giving my third umpire view. No, it was out, it was out. This used to be one of the most happening places. So we had a piano there, which is not there anymore. Plus we used to have a tennis table basically over here. So in the evenings, in the night, it used to be very happening. A lot of people used to play here, play the piano. So it was used to be very beautiful. So this is the Roton side that I talked about. This lift is much better than that of Vikram's. It's not so cozy, so you can chill, relax. Hi Vikram. Well, hi there. The desk and the bed and the cupboards and everything, obviously it's part of the room. I've never bought anything. I guess just the table fans, lights and everything, and the monitor obviously are additions, but yeah, the furniture was there. As soon as you enter the room, the very first thing you're gonna see is like the kitchen area. So initially when you actually enter the room, the refrigerator was here.
Oh, okay.
And this table was here. I kind of found this configuration to be more, so whenever I wash my utensils, everything just goes over here. I wash them, I clean them and everything, and I just keep it over here. So this kind of configuration feels much better, and that's why I kind of moved my fridge over here. Plates, dish and everything. Normal cabinets where I have, I think, like pulses and everything. Just normal masalas, utensils. Then yeah, standard microwave. This is a nice shelf where I can keep, couple of boxes, like just get some couple of boxes from IKEA and store all my condiments here. So this is pretty standard.
I like that you put all these hooks here.
Yeah,
as well.
this helps a lot because like sometimes there's no literally a place to store your utensils when they are wet or when they, just want to just keep them somewhere. Because for me, I have a little bit too much plates going on situation.
Yeah, man, dude, what the hell? You have like 7 plates.
7 plates.
Why do you have 7 plates?
So the reason is that you only get 2. But I had a senior who was leaving. It helps because you have friends coming over, you have people coming over. So every time before I had to ask people to, get
Bring
their plates. Yeah.
Right.
Now I have a good number of plates. I have a good number of, knives, spoons, forks. I have a good number of cup mugs as well. You only get like 2 classic ESSEC cups and mugs. But I bought a few from IKEA plus,
Wait, so you're telling me that all of this cutlery, you get it along with the room?
So you have to pay 99 euros for it. So it's like a welcome kit where you get 2 bigger plates, 2 small, 2 mugs, spoons, knives, forks. So the kilt for the bed, the pillow and everything. It's like a convenience cost,
I really like what you did with putting the fridge over here. Like I think it's really practical to keep the fridge here than over there. Because then, I mean, honestly, like you don't need to access the fridge while you're cooking so much, but you need counter space.
I need counter space, I need utensils, plus mostly I need these stuff.
Yeah, which you can
that's
access.
Why I kept it over here so that even if I'm cooking something over here, I can just grab something directly. Okay, let's put some lemon in my imaginary dish, but yeah.
I mean, yeah, this is a cute little kitchen situation.
Now this is the washroom, and this is pretty much a very standard basic washroom, nothing special. Yeah.
That's cool.
Shower area, yeah.
Yeah, still nice.
Still nice. You have that. Yeah, you have a pretty spacious, I guess pretty spacious room. It's quite big. You can have everything. So my laptop is there, my whole camera setup is there. As you can see, this is pretty much exactly where I shoot my videos. So that's like the kind of the backlight I have. I have this light as well. This is the mic that comes directly over here for me to speak. And this is my plant situation.
That's a cute plant situation.
Yeah, but
Low maintenance.
Yeah.
Low maintenance.
Low maintenance, nothing to do, just there. So this is something interesting that I found on the ground floor. So it's like a common thing, people find stuff. So this was kept there near the piano table, and it kind of, has a lot of space for a lot of things. So, my keyboard for my iPad, my normal watches and stuff, everything is there. Notebook, stationery, pens, chargers, medicines, this and that. So pretty much has everything that I need. Yeah, that's pretty much the desk situation.
Cool. And was it like this when you got the room, like the L desk?
Yeah, the L desk is like this.
We close the shutter. Oh man.
So you have different lights. You can see so many different lights.
Man, this is a great desk setup. Honestly, this is fantastic.
Then obviously the space that I spend the third most amount of time. First would be, I guess, the desk. The second would be the kitchen. The third would be my bed. So this is pretty much a good situation going on. Plus the second good part of this bed is they have a space. So I have like all my, food.
Ooh, that's the stuff. MTR,
Yeah,
dal
MTR,
makhni,
dal makhni,
tandoori chicken masala, diet plain khakra.
everything. Oh yeah.
Oh,
The real
wow.
stuff. The real stuff.
Oh shit, man.
The real stuff. And recently I went to Amsterdam as well, so I have like a cheese situation going on. Crazily, this is something that I could not find in India.
What,
So
aloo
they have,
bhujia?
yeah, they have two kinds of aloo bhujia. One is a green packet, one is a red packet.
What's the difference?
In the taste, I'm gonna give this to you. It's green one is so much better than the red one. And I think since 2020, I have not been able to find the green packet. Back in Hyderabad or my hometown Patna, I've never been able to find this. And last week for Eid, I went to Germany, and in an Indian store, I saw this green packet. I just stared at it for like 10 seconds, bought 2-3 packets. So this is like one of the best aloo bhujia. I don't know why they don't have that in India.
Green packet aloo bhujia.
Just try that stuff. Just try it once. I'm Alex, I'm not Arif. For some reason, my simple 4-letter name is confusing to people working at Starbucks. So I'm Alex. From now on, you can call me Alex. Books that I bought and normal stuff going on.
Nice. Oh, this is really cool. Oh, dude, this is like.
Yeah. This is for people who come to my room to shoot videos. You can have it.
Thanks, man.
Oh
yes. What is that?
Prettiest books that I own. I bought this in India, and this is so good. I've never been able to, use it.
Man, that's so pretty. Like, I would not want to write into it.
Exactly. That's what's stopping me. This is something that I've been working on that I will reveal on the channel pretty soon.
And more shoes.
More shoes.
Man, you got a lot of shoes. Dude, that's really a lot of shoes. That's wow. I don't have this many shoes.
I've been buying shoes recently because when you go to the office, you're here and there. So it's like a different kind of vibe that you want. I don't know if you noticed, but there's no mirror in the room. So there's just one mirror in the washroom. So I kind of bought this. It looked fancy. And yeah, it does the job if I have to, just see my hair, see my face, if there's nothing stuck to it. Pretty much good.
More shoes. Dude.
Yeah.
Shit, man. You got a lot of shoes.
Yeah.
Wait. Let's count. How many pairs of shoes do you have? There's like 1, 2, 3,
4, 5,
4, 5,
6,
7, 8, 9, and then there's one in the box.
10. Yeah.
And is there any in those boxes?
One of them.
11 pairs of shoes.
Yeah, 11 pairs of shoes. I like shoes. It has everything that I need. Normal, random stuff,
cool.
my clothes, my summer clothes, my winter clothes, all my jackets and stuff, all my coats.
And you've got
More
like
than
storage.
enough. And
up
plus,
there
yeah,
as well.
I have the storage there. So if I have some clothes which I really don't want for a long time, so right now maybe, you know, like the trench coats and everything which I wouldn't need for the next 3-4 months, so they're pretty much there.
So for me, the way I would think about it is that the things that you're not going to use very often, you should keep them where they're not accessible easily. So that's like your luggage, right?
Yeah.
And then this stuff, especially like the aloo bhujia and all the Indian snacks, right? That you wanna,
Yeah, pretty much.
you
There
wanna
is
keep
no
that
other.
accessible.
And there is no other space that I would keep that stuff.
Exactly. There's no other space that you would keep that
So
stuff.
for me, this was like the most common thing.
Yeah, it makes sense.
I do have this small stool that I usually just keep it at this position exactly. So when I'm sleeping, I have like my phone. Yeah, this is my third umpire view for the cricket thing.
Nice.
So whenever somebody is playing cricket, you can just see it from here. Plus, if you want to play tennis, you can see if somebody is occupying the court or not. So that's like a good indicator.
And so you're paying how much for this flat again?
So the rent originally was 606. Get 200 CAF. So CAF is a subsidy that is given by the French government. So my rent would be around 400 euros or something. But then since I'm doing my apprenticeship right now, so with an apprenticeship you get an extra 100 euros. So now my CAF is 300.
Wait, but who gives this extra 100 euros?
The government itself. Because like it's good for the government that you're doing an apprenticeship, stuff like that. So the government increases your CAF to 300 and now the rent is 600. So effectively I pay 296 euros for this space.
Arif, thanks a lot for this tour, man.
Thank you for actually coming here and doing the tour. I really, it kind of helped me clean the room as well. So yeah, that was
Dude,
like
absolutely.
a pro for me.
Yeah, if you guys should definitely go check out Arif's channel. He makes amazing videos. He's a student at ESSEC.
Do check me out. I make videos about, you know, studying abroad, education in France.
All right, see you guys in the next one.